Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to show you a Qigong breathing exercise that you can do when you find yourself out of balance, there's too much going on, and you want to get back into your body and get in control of your breath. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do it standing up. It's a rhythmic breathing exercise, so we're going to march on the spot. So go ahead and find your rhythm. Move your knees, move your hips. So joints are moving and muscles are working, so blood is flowing. This is very good. And we're going to be breathing in through the nose on 5 and breathing out the mouth on 5. So keep your breath slow and steady, rhythmic, so you match the body movement. And don't try to overdo it. Don't try to, take those big voluminous breaths. You want to keep it slow, you want to stay in control, and you want to be focused. So if you notice yourself drifting away, bring your mind back and focus on the sound of your breath and the numbers. 5 in, 5 out. We're going to place our hand on our belly, and another hand will go on the chest. So that's kind of feels nice, you feel the warmth from your hands, but also it will help us to be more focused. We're going to be inhaling, deepen your breath so it goes all the way to your belly or the lower parts of the lungs. Go ahead and inhale on 5. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to do that without creating any tension in your body, and let your chest be still and calm. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue at your own rhythm, simply listening to the sound of your own breath. Stay calm, stay focused. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Focus your mind on the sound of your breath and your rhythm. Become aware of your entire body, the area inside your abdomen, your ribs, your chest. Very good. Last one. And exhale. Very good. Let your arms relax to the side. Slow down the movement. Notice how your body feels. See if you can feel a sort of clarity, like fog lifted out your head, to be more present and aware of your feet, of your knees and your hips, of your belly and your chest. Your arms feel nice and warm. Simply observe, no judgment. Stay open and receptive to all the sensations. Very good. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this short breathing flow. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button below this video so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you wanna go deeper and explore your practice, I have a membership site where you can become a member and get all the access to tutorials, videos, breathing, meditation, and also Q&A section. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.